So you're relocating and you don't know anyone where you're moving to. That can be scary, I know. And I know you're an adult and you know how to meet people. Hi, I'm Sherri, broker associate with RE/MAX Bryan College Station, and I thought I'd give you a few ideas on what you can do to meet people more quickly. And remember, if you relocated to a city where there are a lot of new people coming in, they probably feel just like you do and want to meet new people too. So try not to overthink some of my suggestions. I know that introducing yourself to the people next door, your new neighbors, can be a little bit awkward at first, but it helps you not only get some local insight on your new location, but also might help you make some new friends. Talk to your new coworkers if you're starting in a new job. If you're relocating away from family, building a support network of new friends and neighbors will help you fight loneliness. Make sure your children and pets are acclimatized to their new surroundings. Get involved in the community. Now that you've settled in and unpacked, met your new neighbors, and discovered what is around your new home, it's time to make a new routine. Volunteering at a retirement home or an animal shelter, joining a gym, church, book club, or just getting out there and exploring will help you feel like a local and avoid homesickness. If you've got children, think about activities that you can enroll them in so that they can get plugged into their new life and have an easier time in meeting new friends. And so you can meet their parents and make friends yourself. What sports or activities can you enroll them in? Can you put on a neighborhood meet and greet that's kid-friendly? There are lots of ways to meet new people, and it doesn't have to be weird. Most likely, the people that you're meeting are in the same boat as you are and will be thrilled that you reached out. I'm your community market leader, Sherri, a helping hand for a happy home.